Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how Nifty behaved according to the trading levels given for May 13, and then we will see the levels for May 14. These are the levels we gave for May 13. All these levels are Nifty spot levels. So long above 9242 and we should go short below 9155. Now let us see how Nifty behaved according to these levels. So as we know, yesterday there was an economic package announced which gave a boost to the market. So as expected, market opened as a huge gap up. It opened somewhere close to 95880 levels. Okay, but as soon as it opened, in the first 5 minutes, if you see, it started drifting down. It it drifted close to 100 points in the first 5 minutes. Okay, now if you see our levels, I have marked the levels over here. This is our buy level, and this is the first target, second target, and third target. So Nifty opened much above all our targets. So ideally in the morning there is no trade, but we need to wait for the Nifty to come to our level and then take a trade. So that is the rule which we need to follow. We should be patient. We need to see whether Nifty gives any opportunity for us to take a trade. So what happened is it made a low somewhere around 9351 for the day, and then it closed around 9383. So ideally, according to our trade setup, there is no trade today. But for aggressive traders, I am going to discuss two trade opportunities for this chart for today. For today's Nifty behavior. Okay, the first one is the Nifty open equal to high. Okay, so this is an opportunity for the aggressive traders. When I say aggressive traders, they have to be very fast, and they should know the entry, and they should know the stop loss, and they should know what is the target, and they should get out once the target is reached. So whenever this open equal to high comes, they can they can take a trade immediately, or they can take a trade after the first 5 minute candle is formed, and they can take a trade once the uh, low of the first 5 minute candle is broken downwards. So this is open equal to high, so we have to wait for the first 5 minute candle and then take a trade once the low of the first 5 minute candle is broken. And the stop loss will be the 50% level, half of the high and low of the 5 minute candle. So it will be somewhere over here. This is the stop loss. So with the minimum stop loss, they can get into a trade, and they should book a profit somewhere. If they get some 50 to 60 points, then they can close the trade and come out. So Nifty is sort of behaved according to this one, and we could have booked some profits today. So that is one trade setup. Another trade setup is we need to wait and see how the Nifty is forming some sort of chart patterns. So if you see here, Nifty made a bottom over here, and then it got into a range, and again it became a bottom over here. So this is sort of a double bottom scenario, and we can this will be entry with a stop loss of around 20 points somewhere over here. Okay, and our targets will be the high, the previous high of that chart structure. So that is another opportunity for this, and this is only for the aggressive traders. For normal traders, we should always wait for our trade setup to come, and if it is not coming, let's not get into a trade. Let's protect our trading capital, and that is very important. Now let's see the levels for May 14th. So we should go long above 9477 with a stop loss of 9380. Targets are 9525, 9670, 9755. Short below 9345, stop loss 9390, and targets are 9298, 9210, and 9070. So I have given the rules for how to take the bullish trade and how to take bearish trade. So everything is mentioned here. So please read and understand. And some of the rules are mentioned under the note section. All these are very important rules. Understand it, read it carefully, and take the trade accordingly. Always keep your money and risk management rules. Always, once you get into a trade, please put the stop loss immediately. We should not wait for market to come somewhere near to our stop loss and then put the stop loss. That is not advisable. Once you get into the trade, the next action is to put the stop loss, and that is very important. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you liked the video. Thank you once again.